We're in an era of unprecedented global cooperation to address climate change. The Paris Agreement recognizes the need to limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, and it strives for a target of 1.5 degrees Celsius. But meeting this goal means big policy changes. Canada's framework includes a few mandatory changes for provinces, including the phase-out of traditional coal-fired electricity by 2030. Canada's targets are inadequate for addressing our share of the global emissions problem, and the framework doesn't properly outline the policies needed to meet it. But Saskatchewan is one of 2 provinces that has yet to even sign on to the framework, citing concerns about the economic impacts of climate policies. Right now, Saskatchewan's likely plan involves retrofitting coal power with carbon capture and storage. But even our public utility, Sask Power, has doubts about the viability of CCS. And coal phase-out in Saskatchewan is more than a technical challenge. Research shows that social relationships, group identities, and personal values often have a greater impact on the outcome of a climate policy debate than the objective facts. These social and cultural gaps are stifling constructive discussions about meeting our targets, and we keep drifting away from the fundamental questions about Saskatchewan's future. Climate Justice Saskatoon is committed to learning more about bridging these gaps. We're launching a research project to gain a deeper understanding of the challenges facing coal-producing communities in Saskatchewan. Our communication strategy uses a framework called the Spectrum of Allies, and usually we focus on connecting with groups that are sympathetic to our vision and our objectives. What we don't know as much about are the perspectives and feelings of people who are more neutral, or even passively or actively opposed to our work. A phase-out of coal would directly affect hundreds of workers in the province, and would have a major impact on communities like Estevan and Coronach, which depend heavily on coal mining and coal-fired electricity generation for employment and revenue. Over the next few months, we'll be speaking with members of these communities, building relationships and collaborating with others researching this topic. Keep an eye on our Facebook and Twitter pages for more videos about the project as it progresses, and tune into our radio program, From the Ground Up, Wednesdays at 6:30 p.m. on CFCR 90.5 FM for updates. If you'd like to get involved with this project, please send us an email. Thanks.